Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick video about the leak of the build for Windows 11 last week. So we've had, of course, a lot of things happening. One of the things that we now know, because a lot of people say this is fake, this is not a real deal, we've had confirmation by Microsoft pretty much that, yep, this is the real thing and that it leaked. And one of the things that happened is that they, of course, issued a DMCA to get the download link down. Apparently, everybody was pointing pretty much at the same place, so that's why maybe some people that have been reporting this weekend, they can't get it or they have a hard time getting the image. It seems that they shut down at least the main place where it was available. So that also confirms that, well, this is probably the real deal. Now, as we're going to go into June 24th event on Thursday, one of the things you got to know is that we will have that event roughly a month after the release of this build. This is a build late May, something like 30th of May. We're going to have a look at a build a month later. I would guess there's going to be things we don't see here yet that are going to be available. So that's the thing about it. And of course, we probably will have almost immediately, especially now with the leak. I think, why not? Why wait? Just send it out to insiders for testing. But I would not be surprised we will see some things that are not here yet in the build, and that it's going to be maybe a little more interesting. One thing for sure, there's kind of two groups of people out there right now. There's the people that are sad, that are saying, well, this isn't a big improvement. This isn't really, what I wanted. I have a hard time with this and with the fact that, it's not that much different from Windows 10. A lot of people were thinking of a complete new system. Personally, I never thought that would be the case. Personally, I knew it was going to be something over Windows 10-ish. Not anything that will, be fantastic or amazing. Although, personally, I kind of like it. I kind of feel that it's nice. But I know that it's not what everybody thought this would be, for sure. We'll see what's added to this with the coming event. One thing I wanted to talk about, because a lot of you freaked out saying, well, I heard rumors that your accounts are going to be shut down and that you're going to lose your Microsoft account if you log in with this. You're not. They went after the only thing that was the original link for the leak. Nothing else. They're not going after anyone. Now they know it's out there. It's creating a hype. They're going to surf a little bit on that hype. And we'll see what's up on Thursday. I would guess there will be a few things that we haven't seen yet that will be added, since the build will be about a month old. And we're going to have more. I'll be covering that event, by the way. So as the event unfolds and ends, I will post a video talking of the highlights of the event. So this is going to be something that you might want to be interested in, with a few pictures, and we'll talk about what's going to happen. If you are or you were an insider or want to be an insider again, well, you can join the insider program if there's any new things appear. If that build gets to the dev channel, for example, you'll be able to test it out before anybody else. I'll post a few more little things that I know today on this channel, and hope that you enjoy the videos. If you do, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.